if you are planning any sort of holiday promotions during December, January, let us know as early as possible. Let your marketing team know, even if it's not us, as early as possible. We know they'll appreciate it too. October is probably the latest you want to finalize your holiday planning. You should really be planning it now and have it finalized and delivered to your marketing teams by mid-October, I bet, at the latest for most companies, because it takes a lot of time. We all get slammed during the holiday season with all of our clients needing, twice the promotional materials than they usually need. So the earlier you can get it into us, the earlier we can guarantee it's going to get out on time and just delivered successfully as a campaign, and not have any last minute changes or delays when it comes, a week before Christmas and you're making last minute changes. It gets really tough.
That's more so in particular to like promotions, any, higher end like shoots, and particularly ads, right? It's like we can certainly just get that last minute ad up and running for you. Here's the downside in doing that. During October, November, December, or OND as we like to call it, like it's the 3 months of just holiday rampage where everyone is just ramping up like e-com and their ad spend and things like that for promotions. So what ends up happening is if you try to get an ad approved last minute, you are often stuck in the approval stages and your ad never even runs because they just have so much to filter through. So at least if you have like an idea of what you're going to do for, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, whatever it may be, having that ad ready to go, structured, because you can choose when the ad's going to start, and that will always start on time, but having it just go through the approval process, have it ready to go, so that way when your start date hits, it just starts running. That's huge. Like it's not even about, internal capacity. It's more so like, hey, you want these ads to run or otherwise you're going to miss your holiday season.